Hello everyone and welcome to the video today. Today's video is going to be pretty short and sweet. It's actually a video that I've kind of done in the past several times, but because it is the holiday season, this is literally a couple days before Thanksgiving and all the Black Friday events. So I wanted to go ahead and do this video to show you one of the ways that I earn what I call free money in order to help me purchase some of the gifts that I give during the holiday season. It's literally right around the corner. So I use typically Amazon for a lot of my gifts. So this website that I'm going to show you today actually is a great way to earn Amazon dollars. So if you have an Amazon account, you just redeem this your points for Amazon. There's also other things you can do with this particular site. The site is called CrowdTap. You can redeem them for other things as well, but I personally just use the Amazon redemption feature because that's just what I choose to use, and I get a lot of my gifts and stuff from Amazon. It's so much easier than going out to the stores and fighting the crowds. So I wanted to do this video today. I'll show you real quick. This is, like I said, it's called CrowdTap, and it's free to join. Here's what you can redeem for. Yeah, here's the Amazon I'm talking about. So $5. You have Sephora, Target gift cards. I've used these in the past as well as the Walmart. Okay, so don't get me wrong. I'm just when it comes to the holiday, Christmas time, I tend to go ahead and get my Amazon balance up pretty high so that I can order stuff from there. But I might also grab a couple of these because there's always good stuff at Walmart to get, especially stocking stuffers, that kind of thing. But as you can see, you've got a whole bunch of other stuff. You got Redbox, PlayStation Store, Adidas, Nike. Anyway, let me go back to the home page, and I'm going to show you what the site actually is. This is a very easy, quick survey site. I don't even know that I would call it a survey site because it's just little quick questions. And when I think of surveys, I think of these long, drawn-out surveys that take, anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. This is not that, okay? So, let me show you. Down here where it says Browse, you're going to have your list of questions. Right now I have 5. I just went through and did a whole bunch of them, so that's why there's not that many. A lot of times when I log in first thing in the morning, there's anywhere from 30 to 40 things to fill out. And as you look up here, on this first one, it says +3. That's how many points you're going to get for answering that question. This one right here is +40. This one's +3, +6, and so on. I personally just go ahead and answer all of them. The only ones I don't always do is this one right here, which is apply to sample Revlon Total Color. It just depends on what it is I'm applying to sample. I don't really care about doing that right now, but they have a lot of those too, which is kind of cool because then they'll send you the product. So let's go through and I'll show you how easy these are. This is the first one, which is worth 3 points. Okay, and it asks, which of the following features do you use on your smartphone? Okay, so it's a multiple choice. Most of these questions are multiple choice, by the way. So you're just going to go through and pick which ones you use. And hit continue. And over here, once it finishes loading, you'll see that my point balance went up. It was at 1,005 points, 1,008. So I immediately got my 3 points. Okay, this was the one that was worth 40 points. This might be a little bit more extensive, but let's see. How familiar are you with the ingredient allulose? I mean, I don't know a whole lot about it, so continue. Based on anything you may have heard or any impression you have, how likely would you be to buy a food or beverage product that has allulose as an ingredient? Literally, that has no impact on my purchase. Which of the following sweetening ingredients do you prefer? We're curious, when it comes to your eating habits, which of the following motivates you to eat a certain way? It says select up to 9 answers, so I want to be healthy, watch my carbos, I want to lose weight. Continue. Okay, so that got me 40 points. As you can see, now I'm up to 1,051. Okay, so I'm going to opt out of that. But as you can see, these questions are super simple, super easy, and you're going to get points for them no matter what. Okay, so now that we've kind of gone through what the questions are like and how simple they are, what we're going to do now is redeem them, and I'm going to show you how simple that is. Once you have 1,000 points or over, you can redeem. That's the lowest value you have to get, which, by the way, does not take very long. I thought 1,000 points is going to take forever, but it really doesn't. As with all of the websites that I use to make what I call pocket change or extra cash, I log into them every day. That's the key, okay? You need to go ahead and log into them. Don't just expect you're going to make money off of these and not log into them for 4 or 5 weeks, okay? Log into them every day, answer the questions. Majority of them take about 5 minutes, and then you move on to the next website. You know, you can do it while you're having your cup of coffee in the morning, and then you're done. You know, the other tip I might add is if you really want to make more money with them or get more points, then log into it more than once a day. Maybe again in the afternoon, maybe again in the evening. But that's up to you. But I would definitely suggest at least once a day, whenever it is that you can. Go ahead and create a space of time, log into these different websites, do the task or the questions, and before you know it, you're going to start racking up a lot of points. So here we go. We're going to redeem. So I have 1,051 points. I want to use it for the Amazon, which is going to be for $5. Pretty good deal. That's a pretty good ratio, by the way. I've had other websites where you have to get up to 5,000 points, and it takes months to get there just for $5. So this is a pretty good one. That's why I love this one so much. It's so easy. The questions are simple. Doesn't take a lot of my time, and they're actually kind of interesting sometimes. So anyway, so here we are, Amazon. All I'm going to do is hit redeem, and there we go. At this point, I just have to agree to the terms of service and then place the order. All right, and here it says it's going to be sent to my email. Okay, so this is very important. Any of these that you're going to be redeeming will be sent to your email address that you've set up in your profile. So you need to check that. It is usually within 24 hours, so don't worry about that. It doesn't take very long at all. Okay, so that's how simple it is. So simple, easy. It's called CrowdTap. I'll leave a link in the description if you want. Unfortunately, with this one, there's no referral program. I would love it if it had that, because I would obviously recommend that. That's one of the things that I do. But I like to use this because it's just so simple. And I get free money that I can apply towards gifts for people coming up here in December. So I am super excited to show this to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure you subscribe if you're interested in this kind of info. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I come out with new videos just like this. Okay, thanks so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.